Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros at home without a piping bag. First, combine water, butter, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remove from heat, then quickly stir and flour until a smooth dough ball forms. Return to low heat for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to dry out the dough. Transfer the dough to a bowl and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This initial step is crucial for a perfect churro texture. Now for shaping without a piping bag. You can use a strong Ziploc bag, just snip off one corner to create an opening. Fill the bag with your cooled dough and gently squeeze out strips directly into hot oil. Another simple method is to roll small portions of dough into ropes, about 1/2 inch thick, on a lightly floured surface. Cut these ropes into 4-inch pieces. Next, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your shaped churros into the hot oil, frying a few at a time to avoid overcrowding. Cook them for about 2 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once fried, immediately remove them and toss them in a mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon. This coating adds that classic churro sweetness. Your delicious homemade churros are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or even a caramel drizzle for an extra special treat. These crispy, sweet delights are perfect for a cozy night in or sharing with friends. They prove you don't need fancy tools to make amazing desserts. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.